little bit of eco news for you. So we're going to pop right into that. And I'm going to pull that up now. Here we go. So this is from Science Daily, this April the 28th. It's a new study here. Certainly fascinating to me as a you all know I'm a Lovelockian Guyonist, and this is kind of what I understand. I think all the nature sends signals out to all the organisms that are within it to help sustain homeostasis. But let's see, certain types of fungi can communicate with each other via electrical signals, but much remains unknown about how and when they do so. And these are completely analogous with neurons sent in your brain. I mean, the way that they communicate, you can draw a correlation to the sending that information the same way. Remains unknown about how and when they do so. A group of researchers recently headed to the forest to measure the electrical signals of Laccaria bicolor mushrooms, finding that their electrical signals increase following rainfall. Certain fungi play a critical role in the ecological sustenance of forest trees. Ectomycorrhizal fungi are one such example, commonly found in pine, oak, birch, or in birch trees. Ectomycorrhizal fungi form a sheath around the outside of tree roots, and their mycelial body develops into vast underground networks that absorb vital nutrients from the soil and transfer it to the tree. Scientists have been studying the possibility of electrical signals transferred between mushrooms and across trees via the mycelial network. It is thought that fungi generate electrical signals in the response to external stimuli and use these signals to communicate with each other, coordinate growth, and other behavior. It has even been hypothesized that these signals can be used to help transfer nutrients to plants and trees. Still, current scientific evidence remains sparse. Moreover, many studies have been limited to laboratory, failing to recreate what happens in the wild. Now, a group of researchers has recently headed into the forest floor to examine small, tan-colored ectomycorrhizal mushrooms known as Laccaria bicolor, attaching electrodes to the 6 mushrooms in a cluster. The researchers discovered that the electrical signals increased before and after rainfall. Increased just after rainfall, not before. In the beginning, the mushrooms exhibited less electrical potential, and we boiled this down to a lack of precipitation, says Yu Fukusawa from Tohoku University, who led the project along with Takayaku Takahi and Daisuke Akai from the National Institute of Technology, Nagaoka College, and Masayuki Oshio from the Hakubi Center, Kyoto University, presently at Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. However, the electrical potential began to fluctuate after raining, something going on over 100 millivolts. Yeah. So those names were fun to go through. Thank you so much. But yeah, I guess they all deserve credit whether I want to trip over their names or not. My stupid American tongue. I'm sorry. The researcher correlated this fluctuation with precipitation and temperature, and causality analysis revealed that the post-rain electric potential showed signals or signal transported among mushrooms. This transport was particularly strong between spatially close mushrooms and demonstrated directionality. Our research confirmed, or our results confirm the need for further studies of fungal electrical potential under a true ecological context, added Fukasawa. So that's pretty cool stuff. And I got a little short video I wanted to watch on it because I mushmouthed my way through that presentation on it. So I apologize. By the end of the show, I'm also pretty laid down. And okay, good. Take it easy. We just got a short little video, and I'm going to be wrapping up here as well.
Over 80% of plants live in a symbiotic relationship with a remarkable organism called mycorrhizal fungi. Through this symbiosis, the fungi and the plant naturally develop a lifelong bond of mutual benefit that's existed for over 450 million years. Mycorrhiza is the term used to describe the symbiotic relationship between mycorrhizal fungi and a plant's root system. First, the spore of mycorrhizal fungi germinate in the soil and make their way to the nearest roots. The roots are then colonized by the fungi, and mycorrhiza are established. The fungi penetrate the root and create an internal network of fungal structures inside the root cells, where the plant and mycorrhizae exchange sugars and nutrients. Finally, the hyphae continue to develop outside the roots, forming an extended network of fine filaments, which cover up to 700 times more soil area than the plant's own roots. This secondary root system draws in extra beneficial nutrients and water, supporting a plant or tree for its entire lifetime.
Yeah, that's what that was. This channel has a lot of great videos like this. So I just wanted to say subscribe and ring the notification bell. That's what I'm going to do here. If you feel like doing that to my video, you're more than welcome to. I will probably have more shorts from this channel on here in the future. So, yeah, that was a little bit of EcoNews, talking about communicating, the fungus communicating through electrical impulses, and they're starting to track how those respond. It's really cool stuff. We're moving really far into the future. We're getting our little mycorrhizal hairs into the network there. So thank you for sticking around for that. Now, again, I will be...